4 steps to guaranteed vehicle finance. So, you're wanting to buy a car, but you don't have the full payment amount sitting in your bank account. Well, then it's time to take a look at getting finance for that car. Vehicle finance is a loan given to you by a bank or a similar institution that pays for the vehicle you wish to buy and allows you to pay them back with interest over an agreed upon term. Sounds easy enough, right? Well, it may or may not be. That all depends on how well you prepare yourself in order to guarantee that you qualify for finance. Here are our tips on how to guarantee finance for your perfect car. Step 1. Make sure your credit score is good. We recommend that you first visit and register with TransUnion to get your credit score. To get your free credit score from TransUnion, click on the link in the description of this video. TransUnion allows all users one free credit score check per year. There is a minimum score that will allow you to take out financing for your car. So this is the clear first step in determining whether or not you qualify. The scores can be summed up as follows. If your score is below 526, this is not a good score, and you'll most likely not be approved for car finance. You might want to consider speaking to a financial advisor to help you get on top of your finances. If your score is between 527 and 582, this is below average. If this is you, then you'll be considered a subprime borrower, and the dealership will consider your application, but you might be subject to higher interest rates. If your score is between 583 and 613, this is an average score, and your finance application should be approved if you can prove affordability. If your score is between 614 and 680, this is a favorable score, and you'll most likely receive better than average interest rates from finance houses. If your score is between 681 and 766, this is a good score, and you'll most likely receive a good interest rate from the majority of finance houses out there. And then lastly, if your score is between 767 and 999, this is the best it can get. Your rating is exceptional, and you'll be at the top of the list for the best interest rates from lenders. Step 2. Can you afford it? It's best to be honest with ourselves. We all want that fancy new car, but are you sure you can really afford it? There are a wide number of car finance calculators out there that can be used online to get a ballpark figure of the vehicles you can afford. Let's say you earn 20,000 Rand per month. Then it's good practice to not spend more than 5,000 Rand per month on vehicle finance and ownership. Banks will ask you for your monthly income and expenses, and they will check this against your payslips and bank statements. So remember, honesty is always the best policy. Step 3. Get your documents ready. Finally, before heading over to the dealership to get your car, you need to make sure that you are equipped with the following documents. Number 1. Bank statements and payslips from the last 3 months. Number 2. A valid driver's license. Number 3. Proof of residence. And number 4. A copy of your ID. And lastly, step 4. Find your car and enquire. When you're good to proceed, simply navigate to our online showroom, filter the vehicles based upon your unique requirements, and submit an inquiry on the vehicle. The seller will be in touch with you and have you driving in your wheels in no time. And that's it. Those are the 4 steps to guarantee vehicle finance. We hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.